All right, so I've got a new project I need to figure out. I just went dispersed camping this weekend with a buddy of mine, and my pack was way too heavy. I have to come up with a lighter cooking solution because I had a cast iron griddle, and it was a beast to hike in and out. So all right, I haven't done much welding since my Air Force days, so we're gonna see how this goes. I'm ready. All right, I got my first draft of the tripod bracket. Let's look at this thing here. It's got the self-cutting edges, so it can kind of make it fit. Just have to get a point that gets in there. So that will stay. Some chain in there, drill a hole in the center, pull the chain through the slot so you can set the chain at different heights, and then build the grill. Well, it started raining now, so I think I'm done for today. Alright, so I'm back inside because it started raining. I drilled a hole in the center, and I use a jigsaw to cut a slot into it. So the idea is that you can pull a chain through there and drop it into the slot. I'll show you. Alright, I've got a little bit of a setup going on here. I took an old junky grill that I'm going to have to clean up since I can't weld my circular one. I'm about there. Next thing to do is test it out over fire.